Alright, so welcome back to the Lost Forgotten channel, where we are trying really hard not to let the camera get wet. And trying to watch some lightning. So there's that stuff out there going, you know, this way and that way and whatnot. And that's called lightning. But I'm having a problem with the camera fogging up. So if I do this occasionally, I apologize. But there seems to be plenty of good lightning going on here when the camera can actually focus through the fucking mist. Okay, so anyways, back to the whole fogging up the camera thing. Hey, thought we were supposed to be watching lightning. What the hell? What if I just drew a lightning right there? Like that. Alright. All over down here. Too much? No, I gotta wipe off the camera first. So you see it right. There we go. No? That's right, lightning goes that way. So, just remember, down, up. From Mother Earth to the bad things up there. There we go, much better. I don't know if I'm allowed to show off in high def, but I'm trying. So what if it's embarrassing? I get it right a lot more than most people. And then I'm a little defrosted better. Fuck. See, all I'm doing is focusing on showing off. because I'm looking at the screen. There. See, that actually worked better. Alright. Come on. Is that all you took? See, I told you it'd be better if I didn't look at the screen. Take a look at that. Go on, help me, city boy. That's how that's done. I got to look at the screen that time. Needed a little focus boost, then I could go back to looking, you know. Anyways. So there's something up there, sort of a magnetic crystalline kind of entity, and I've dealt with similar ones, but this one seems to have a lot of backup. See? There's just lots of them up there. You can stop that and look at them all if you want. But what I'm doing here, I'm not doing this saying that other people should try to do this at home, folks. I'm literally just kind of, you know, I'm filming this when I can, but I usually do this for a reason. And I film it just because I get kind of frustrated with, I don't know, the disbelief. Because, you know, if you look, come here. I mean, people used to call them aliens and UFOs and orbs and shit. But, I've been actively combating them since 2011. And this is how it all started. Well, there's only one right there. I think I kind of got the rest earlier. So let's see if I can take care of him right quick. Caught him. Didn't get him. I'm being vain. See, it always messes me up when I film. That's why I don't film these that often. And frankly, this side of the side, this guy seems to need a little more attention right now. Let's see if I can find somebody up there. Yeah, right there. Come on. I really wanted to see that one on camera, so yeah, we both got to see it. Alright. Yep. So anyways, don't seem to have much competition out here. So let me just do a little check. Nothing. Ah! Last but not least, imagination. That's all I'm using. My imagination is where you're at. So, welcome to creation. Sorry it took you so long to realize you were here. But, well, at least there's hope. And just maybe, if you can wake up, you might remember that it is your fate to help out. Fuck is he? Come back here, city boy. I was having fun with you. Fuck off. You're not at a good camera angle. So, I'm going to go ahead and go inside and smoke a cigarette. And if anybody wants to talk to me, go ahead and just pray while you're finishing watching this. And maybe the answers will come to you at random in the flashy little lights out there. Just pray to God. Pray to the Christian God. God the Father. I mean, you can pray to the goddess if you want to, but then you're just kind of parsing things and getting back to like the lack of gender identification and basic terms of linguistics. And, yeah. It's proper just to pray to the Father, because the Father created the Mother and the Son, who are the Father and the Mother also. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to laugh at all the times in the beginning where I went like that and nothing happened. I really... not much left. Oh, there's not much left out there. There's not much going to happen as far as lightning strikes go. Because whether I'm fighting or not, there's other, angels fighting each other. And like I said, there's the battle going on over there, but it's not really of much interest to me right now. So yeah, this fucker just hiding out until I go back inside and get distracted. I'm warning you. It made me take a nap and come up there and kick your ass myself. Okay, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope you had a good giggle. Watch the important stuff. Peace.